Welcome back to Auto Car World. Today's review is going to be very special, because we're not talking about an ordinary car, SUV, or even a supercar. Instead, we're diving into one of the most powerful machines ever built for the battlefield, the M1 Abrams main battle tank. A true icon of American engineering, this tank has dominated wars, impressed military experts, and proven itself time and again as a global standard for armored warfare. So, let's explore its design, performance, firepower, and why the M1 Abrams remains one of the deadliest and most respected tanks in history. Design. The first thing you notice about the M1 Abrams is its sheer presence. Standing low and wide, this 60-ton armored beast looks intimidating from every angle. Its design is not about beauty or luxury, but about survival and strength. Unlike cars that focus on aerodynamics for speed, the Abrams focuses on armor geometry to deflect enemy rounds and absorb heavy impacts. At the core of its protection is the famous Chobham composite armor, developed in the United Kingdom and enhanced in the United States. This armor is layered with ceramics, metals, and even depleted uranium inserts, making it nearly impossible for enemy shells to penetrate. The tank is also fitted with reactive armor systems, which explode outward when hit, neutralizing incoming projectiles. In short, the M1 Abrams isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving fortress. Engine. Now, let's talk about performance. You might think a 60-ton tank would be slow and sluggish, but the M1 Abrams surprises everyone. Underneath that heavy armor is a Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine, the same kind of engine technology used in jet aircraft. This engine delivers an incredible 1,500 horsepower, allowing the Abrams to reach speeds of 45 miles per hour on roads and nearly 30 miles per hour off-road. For a vehicle this heavy, that speed is extraordinary. It means the Abrams can keep up with fast-moving combat units, maneuver through deserts, forests, and urban battlefields, and still maintain dominance. The tank's suspension system is designed for rough terrain, ensuring that even on uneven ground, it maintains balance and firing stability. Fuel consumption is massive. It guzzles fuel at an astonishing rate, but in battle, power and speed matter more than efficiency. Of course, no tank review would be complete without talking about its firepower, and the M1 Abrams does not disappoint. The primary weapon is the 120mm smoothbore cannon, manufactured by Rheinmetall and adapted for U.S. use. This gun can fire high-explosive anti-tank rounds, armor-piercing shells, and even advanced kinetic energy projectiles that can pierce through almost any enemy armor. But that's just the main gun. The Abrams also comes loaded with secondary weapons, including a .50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun mounted on top, plus two 7.62mm M240 machine guns for close defense. This combination allows the tank to engage not only other armored vehicles but also infantry, light vehicles, and even low-flying aircraft. With stabilized aiming systems, the Abrams can fire accurately while moving at full speed, something that gives it a massive advantage on the battlefield. Beyond raw power, the Abrams is also a showcase of advanced technology. Its fire control system uses lasers, thermal imaging, and computerized targeting to ensure precision, even at long distances. Crews can spot enemies through smoke, darkness, or bad weather, and hit them with near-perfect accuracy. The digital battlefield management system keeps the crew updated with real-time data, ensuring coordination with other units. Inside, the four-person crew, commander, gunner, loader, and driver, work in a highly organized space with controls designed for efficiency and safety. The Abrams has continuously evolved, with upgrades like depleted uranium armor inserts, active protection systems, and improved networking capabilities, keeping it ahead of global competition. Since its introduction in the early 1980s, the M1 Abrams has served in conflicts around the world, from the Gulf War to Iraq and Afghanistan. In the First Gulf War, Abrams tanks destroyed hundreds of enemy armored vehicles with minimal losses, proving their dominance. Even decades later, the Abrams remains one of the most trusted and feared tanks worldwide. Its reputation is not only about firepower but also about survivability. Many stories from soldiers highlight how the Abrams saved lives, protecting crews from attacks that would have destroyed lesser tanks. For allies, it represents security; for enemies, it represents a nightmare on tracks. And that brings us to the end of today's review of the M1 Abrams main battle tank, a perfect mix of speed, strength, firepower, and cutting-edge technology. This tank is more than just a vehicle, it's a legend of modern warfare. What do you think of the Abrams? Is it the ultimate tank, or do you think future technologies will surpass it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Autocar World, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.